Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you the Lekufee box. It's for the drone from the DJI. I put the stickers from DJI on it, and here also that comes from the drone. So this is the box. As you can see it is very good. It is hard plastic. This is also a DJI sticker that I put on it. This is metal. You can, when the box is open, you can put it out, so you don't have to use that. The box has here a thing for the lock, two things for the lock, and then here a handle, and here is a screw. This is a screw with rubber around it, so it is watertight, and this is to open it. So you click it open like that, and then here you have the drone. So this is the DJI Flip Drone, the battery pack, the remote controller, and then we have here, I put the DJI mic below it, so it fits perfectly, as you can see it. I also want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win, you get notified. So please don't forget to subscribe, so you can win something. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computers, all kind of things, electronics, much of things like that. So if you subscribe, then you are able to win something. The only thing you have to do is subscribe. So please don't forget to do that. So I'm still going to show you the box. So this was the box. You can perfectly close it. I also want to tell you that you can unscrew this. The handles you have to unscrew, but in this box you don't need to do that. So you just can close it like that. Voila. Oh yeah, I also will show you how you can remove the handles. Here the band. You see, it's very easy to remove it. It's very easy. Voila. Also, don't forget to like this video if you like it. So this is the box, Lekufee it calls. So you can see it completely. It is waterproof. It has a rubber. I don't know how much it weighs, but with the drone inside of it, I think around 2-3 kilos. I think 3 kilos, something like that. So I don't know exactly how much in total it is. It also depends on how many things you put into it. If you're going to put a lot of stuff inside of it, then voila, it's very easy to mount the band back to its original thing. You don't need to use the band, but yeah. Voila. So I put everything inside of it. I bought some flags to put on the box to recognize it more easily. So voila. This is it. Voila. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like it if you like it. And then maybe you win something. Bye bye.